Hey guys, and welcome. So I had my 4-hour appointment at the True Homes Design Center, and I made all of the selections for my brand new home. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Construction has begun on my new home, and I'll be sharing the step-by-step process in my Build Watch video series starting next week. Ready to see the design center? Well, let's go. Here are the exterior stone options. If you select an elevation that includes stone on the exterior columns, the front porch, or a garage, you can choose the color of that stone. Next up were the flooring options. There were several to choose from, but keep in mind that there are different levels of flooring, and as the levels go up, so do the prices. There were vinyl, tile, laminate, carpet, and hardwood flooring choices. All were available in several colors and styles, as you can see. I have to admit there were some great choices. Oh look, they were expecting me. Now below are the trim options for the fireplace if you choose one. You guessed it, it is an upgrade. Here are some of the many tile choices. Most of them were ceramic tiles, but here are some glass options that were available as well. Of course, those were considered an upgrade at level 2 or 3. These were the options for flooring, the kitchen backsplash, and also the tub shower surround if you chose that option. There was everything from standard size to larger size tiles in a bunch of different colors and styles. Next up, I think were the stone countertops. And all of these are upgrades, but there were granite, marble, and also quartz options to choose from. Again, the marble and quartz were level 2 and 3 upgrades and cost quite a bit more. These are kitchen cabinets, different styles and colors. The shaker style cabinets are the standard style that's included, but they are available in different sizes. And the top trim is an upgrade. You can see though that there are several colors offered in cabinets, and the glass fronts were also an available upgrade. Hardware is optional and of course extra, but what do you guys think about hardware on the kitchen cabinets? Included or no? Some say it's more modern, clean, and sleek without the hardware, but I tend to lean towards it. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Oh, by the way, appliances. Black appliances are standard. Stainless steel, of course, is an upgrade, but you can get the appliance package. Here are more tile options. You can also see the standard tile backsplash back there laid in a diamond pattern. And they did mention that some of these styles are being discontinued this year. So if you're purchasing a True Homes build, you may have different options available than what you see here. And this is just another shot of the cabinet colors and styles. Some with the top trim and without, and the standard size versus the taller upgraded cabinets. Now I wanted you guys to see just how many cabinet options there were, so this is a good shot of that. Here are the kitchen faucet options. Of course, there is a standard faucet, and these are mainly upgrades. I think that's the standard faucet at the bottom right. And this is another cabinet style that was available if you have a floor plan that includes a desk in the kitchen area. And more tile options. Bathrooms. Here's a standard bathroom vanity with the cultured marble top and standard faucet. Guys, the toilet It was a big deal to me. Sorry if that's strange. But they include the smaller round toilets, and to get the oval size, it's an upgrade. I cannot do the round toilet. Yes, your girl paid for the upgraded toilets. Here is the double vanity with the granite upgraded top and some bathroom tile options. Very pretty. This is the upgraded square sink that's available, and I think those are probably down there are just some flooring samples that they had there. And the white door is another cabinet option. And again, that little round toilet. Here are other options for the cultured marble and the standard bathroom faucet. It's okay, but I prefer brushed nickel. And this is the upgrade. Not a huge difference, especially for the price. Now, shower head upgrade options. I always change my shower heads. They just never seem to be big enough for me, but I did not purchase these. You can definitely purchase them cheaper on your own. These are just other bathroom hardware options. I think they tried to have one of everything available, but again, these are things you can purchase yourself for much cheaper. This is a standard pedestal sink in the powder room and the square sink upgrade. Oh, and the beadboard behind the square sink is also an available option. Lighting. I have started to become obsessed with lighting. There are so many options available in so many different styles, and I've come to realize that lighting can make a huge difference in a room or even in an entryway. So needless to say, I went with all of the standard lights, but I will be replacing them all one by one. Now here is the master bath shower. Some floor plans have a shower tub combo and others have a separate shower and tub in the master. If you do have the shower tub, you can choose to replace it with this walk-in shower here. And that's it for the Design Center. If you haven't already, please subscribe and click the notification button so you know when new videos are posted. And thanks for watching.